While doing some research online about the Panasonic GH5s, I've seen some people claim that the extended ISO setting has an impact on noise, even when shooting at traditional low ISO. Let's find out if this is true. For each of these shots, I've captured pure noise pattern by having a shoot with the lens cap on. I've done this for many different settings so that we compare the noise levels. I've then boosted the signal so we can really see the noise pattern. As you can see, having set extended ISO off or on has absolutely no impact on the noise performance.